Welcome to Chemistry Tutorial 360. Today we are going to balance this reaction. This is sodium, this is oxygen, this is sodium oxide, right? Okay, to balance this reaction I can draw a table like this, right? Okay, on the left hand side or reactant side we have here 1 sodium, here we have 2 oxygen, right? And here we have 2 sodium, and here we have 1 oxygen, right? Okay, here our sodium is not balanced and our oxygen is not balanced, so let me balance this equation by balancing the sodium first. Okay, here we have 2 but here we have 1, so to balance the sodium I can multiply here by 2, right? And that gives me 2, and these 2 must come before this sodium that is here, so you have to put here coefficient 2, right? So our sodium is balanced, but here our oxygen is not balanced. Here we have 1 but here we have 2, so to balance the oxygen I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 2, and if I multiply here by 2, these 2 must come before this oxygen that is here, so I have to place here 2. If I place here coefficient 2, my sodium will be updated, so I am getting here 2 times 2, that is 4 sodium, right? That is 4 sodium. Okay, our oxygen is balanced now, but our sodium is not balanced now. Here we have 2 sodium but here we have 4, so to balance the sodium what can I do now? Okay, what can I do now? Here we have just 2 sodium, we know that, and here we have 4, so what can I do now? I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 4, and these 2 must come before this sodium that is here, so 2 times 2 that gives you 4, right? So you have to write here 4, and now you have 4 sodium, then 2 oxygen, so you can say that this equation is balanced now. Okay, let me show you the second way to balance this reaction, and the second way will be helpful to balance this equation in your exam hall, right? So how to do that? Okay, sodium will react with oxygen and we'll get sodium oxide, right? So here we have 2 sodium, so this 2 sodium will come from here, but here we have 1 oxygen, here have 2, so to balance the oxygen I can place here 2, and that gives me 4 sodium, so I have to place here 4, right? And this is the balanced reaction. So thanks for viewing this video. Be well.